Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the zoom range option on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button. Then we're going to go to the shooting section, or the section with the red camera icon. Then we're going to scroll down to zoom and select zoom range. So here you have a few options, so digital zoom, clear image zoom, or smart zoom only. And basically you can select any of the options. So you can select digital zoom if you want digital zoom to be used, smart zoom only if you want to exclude any other options, and you can also have clear image zoom. So once you've selected the option that you want, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.